Hello kids, today we are going to revise the topic 5, the Arctic region. Topic 5, the Arctic region. Turn the page and see here. It is the whole lessons revision. Means lesson revised in some points. Okay, so see. We are going to revise these points. 1. The frigid zone include the polar region, north of Arctic Circle and south of Antarctic Circle. The frigid zone include the polar regions, north of Arctic Circle and south of Antarctic Circle. Number 2. Greenland is an island country in the Arctic region. Greenland is an island country in Arctic region. 3. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Greenland is the largest island in the world. 4. Cape Maurice Gissop is one of the northernmost points in the world. Cape Maurice Gissop is the one of the northernmost points in the world. Point 5 is Inuits or Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. Inuits or Eskimos were the original inhabitants of Greenland. Number 6. Dogs called huskies are used to pull sledges to transport people and utility goods. Dogs are called huskies. Are used to pull sledges to transport people and utility of goods. Number 7. The Arctic region is also called the land of midnight sun. The Arctic region is called the land of the midnight sun. Number 8. Small boats called kayaks were used by Inuits of hunting. Inuits for hunting. Number 9. Number 9. Fish processing as well as its export is an important industry in Greenland. Fish processing as well as its export is an important industry in Greenland. So here our whole lesson revision over in some points. We revised in some points. Next we are going to revise the exercise. Okay kids, turn the page. Already we solved it, but now we are going to revising only. Okay, so see exercise revision. In this, number 1, fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Already we did it. Now we are revising, just revise. Make a preparation for exam. We have soon exam. Understood? In A, options are equator, North Pole, South Pole. We written here equator. Okay? Answer is equator. The polar region are not located around the equator. The polar regions are not located around the equator. Number 2 means B. The huge rocks of ice. The huge rocks of ice floating on seas are called icebergs. Icebergs. Here options are there: ice balls, ice caps, icebergs. Answer is icebergs. C. We written here snowmobiles. Options are motorbikes, trains, snowmobiles. Our answer is snowmobiles. Greatly help to move from one place to place. Greatly help to move from place to place in the ice-covered area in Greenland. Snowmobiles greatly help to move from one place to place, from place to place in sea covered areas in Greenland. D. Options are kayaks, harpoons, and amik. Harpoons are sharp weapons used in fishing. Which weapons are used? Harpoons. Harpoons are sharp weapons used in fishing. Okay. Kayaks and umik wrong means incorrect answers are there. E. Cape Maurice Jesup. Cape Maurice Jesup is one of the northernmost point in the world. Southernmost and easternmost wrong answers means incorrect answer. Northernmost. Cape Maurice Jesup is the one of the northernmost point in the world. Okay, here fill in the blanks over. Next see, tick the correct. Number 2, tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Tick the correct statements and cross for the wrong ones. Already we did it, only just revising. Okay, so see here. A. Greenland lies in the southern hemisphere. Greenland lies in the southern hemisphere. It is correct or wrong? It is wrong. So we marked here by cross. B. Narrow coastal strips in its southwest region are warmer than the rest of island. Yes, it is correct. It is marked by tick. C. Agriculture is the principal occupation. Wrong. It is the wrong. D. Potatoes are the only vegetables that can be withstand the cold climate in Greenland. Wrong. E. The original people of Greenland are called the Inuits. Yes. The original people of Greenland are called Inuits. It is correct. So marked by tick. Okay. Now see the question answers. Now we are going to read the question answers. Answer the following question. Question number A. Question A. Ships often face a great dangers in the coastal areas of Greenland, and why? Look here, kids. Ships often face great danger in the coastal areas of Greenland. Why? Because most part of Greenland is always covered with ice and has massive ice sheets, ice-capped mountains and icebergs that float freely in the sea. Ships often face great dangers because of these icebergs. Next question B. What kind of fishing tools and implements do the people of Greenland use? What kind of fishing tools and implements do the people of Greenland use? The people use modern weapons like guns instead of bows and harpoons for activities. The people use modern weapons like guns instead of bows and harpoons for this activity. Question C. What use do the people of Greenland make of the animals they hunt? What use do the people of Greenland make of animals they hunt? Answer is the people consume almost every part of the animal or fish they hunt. They eat meat. The oil extracted from animals' fat is used for cooking, heating, and to light lamps. The skin and fur is used to make jackets with fur-lined hoods called the parkas, long boots, and gloves that provide them warmth during the biting winters. Bones, ivory, and wood are still used in the making implements and tools. Understood, kids? So, next question D. Why has fish processing become a major industry in Greenland? Why has a fish processing become a major industry in Greenland? Answer is fish such as halibut, cod, shrimp, and the Atlantic salmon are the major types of fish found in and around this area. Fish such as halibut, cod, shrimp, and the Atlantic salmon are the major types of fish found in and around this area are in great demand. These fishes are in great demand, especially in European countries. This type of fish are very great demand. They have great demand, especially in European countries. Fish processing is therefore the major industry in Greenland. They have great demand in the European countries. So, fish processing is therefore the major industry in Greenland. Okay, now last question is, E question. What vegetables are now being grown in Greenland? What vegetables are now being grown in Greenland? Here people have now started growing vegetables such as potatoes, turnips, beets, carrots, parsnips, and the cauliflower, tomatoes, cucumbers, and a few local types of green vegetables such as Greenlandic pointed cabbages and iceberg lettuce. These vegetables are grown in Greenland. Last question is, describe modern life in Greenland. Describe modern life in Greenland. Answer is, scientific and technological process has helped more people to live in home. Scientific and technological process has helped more people to live in home with better amenities, better transport, and better communication have also improved the quality of life of the people. Facilities like a school, teachers training centers, and medical centers are being provided by the government. Major cities of Greenland are also well connected to cities in the nearby continents of Europe and North America. This type modern life in the Greenland. Okay, here our lesson. Which one lesson? The Arctic lesson division over. Next, see health is wealth lesson. Next lesson we are going to revise number 6, lesson number 6. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Medical invention. Number 6, health is wealth. Medical inventions. So, turn the page. Okay. And see the revision, lesson revised in whole lesson given in a small short point, small and short less points. Okay, if we read this one, revise this one means we revise the whole lesson. 1. I am revising the lesson. Medicine is the branch of science that deals with treating patients for various diseases and infections. Medicine is the branch of science that deals with the treating patients for various diseases and infections. 2. Medical devices such as stethoscopes, microscopes, X-ray machines, ECG, electrocardiograms machine and CT scanner have helped in better diagnosis, leading to the faster treatment and recovery. Medical devices such as microscopes, stethoscopes, X-ray machines, ECG machines, CT scanner, these all helped in better diagnosis, leading to the faster treatment and recovery of patients. 3. Antibiotics are substances that stop the growth or even destroy harmful bacteria and microorganisms. 4. Preventive medicines are called vaccines. Preventive medicines are called vaccines, and the technique of administer them is called the vaccinations. Preventive medicines are called vaccines, and the technique of administers them is called the vaccination. 5. The process of killing germs by heating the food items at a certain temperature and for a certain period of time is called the pasteurization. Pasteurization means the process of killing germs by heating the food items at certain temperature and for a certain period of time. 6. Antiseptics are substances applied extremely that kill or prevent the growth of the microorganisms and prevent infection of wound or a cut. Antiseptics are a substance applied externally. They are applied only externally that prevent or kills the growth of microorganisms and prevent infection or wound or cut. Here lesson revision over. Next we are going to revise exercise. Now we are going to revise the exercise. So see here kids. First one is the fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. We already filled it. Just only we are revising. Okay. So see A. Here options non-living, living, non-living, living and non-living given. Options are non-living 1. Living 2, living and non-living 3 options are there. A minute, what is your answer? Living. A minute living objects are called microorganisms. Yes. A minute living objects are called microorganisms. B. Options penicillin, DPT and ampicillin. Our options are there. Our answer is DPT. DPT is not an antibiotic drug. DPT is not an antibiotic drug. C. Options are heating, cooling and freezing. Pasteurization is the process of heating. Pasteurization is the process of heating milk to kill microorganisms. Pasteurization is the process of heating milk to kill microorganisms. Next, fourth one is D. Options: vaccines, antibiotics, antiseptics. Dash dash given will be filled by it vaccines. Vaccines are biological preparation which when injected into the person's body help to improve immunity to a particular diseases. Vaccines are biological preparation which when injected to the person's body helps to improve immunity to a particular diseases. Understood kids? Here fill in the blanks over. Next see, tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. We already ticked here and crossed here. Just revise. Okay? A. Thermometers are temperature measuring device. Yes. So we ticked here. Yes. B. Antibiotics work against a viral infection. Wrong. C. tuberculosis and plague ones. Tuberculosis and plague ones considered fatal diseases are now curable. Yes, it is a correct. D. Amoxicillin was the first antibiotic to be discovered. It is a wrong. Here, true or false or tick or cross the sentence over. Next, match the columns. Match the columns. In one column, name of the devices are there. In second column, their uses are there. Okay. Stethoscope used to check lung and heart sounds. Stethoscopes used to check lung and heart sounds. B. Microscope used to see microorganisms. Microscope help us to see microorganisms. C. X-ray device. X-ray device to take a picture of bones. X-ray device to take a picture of bones and teeth only. D. Laser surgery. Laser surgery remove only infected tissues. This helps, laser surgery helps to remove only infected tissues. Okay, here match the following over. Next question number 4. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. A. Why is mercury used in the doctor's thermometer? Why is mercury used in the doctor's thermometer? Answer is, mercury is sensitive to the heat. Hence, it can be rise up and shows the temperature of the body accurately. Mercury is the sensitive to the heat. Hence, it can rise up and show the temperature of the bodies accurately. It is shining metal. It can easily be seen in the narrow tube of the thermometers. Beside it, does not stick to the wall of the thermometers. Understood? So, mercury used in the doctor's thermometer. Second question. How was the anti-smallpox vaccine developed? How was the anti-smallpox vaccine developed? Answer is, an English doctor, Edward Jenner, observed that the milkmaid did not suffer from the dreadful disease, smallpox. An English doctor, Edward Jenner, observed that the milkmaids did not suffer from the dreadful diseases, smallpox. He thought of a possible connection between the two and soon found out that there was. He soon learned that this milkmaid had suffered from a mild disease called the cowpox. He soon learned that this milkmaid had suffered from mild disease called cowpox for a very brief period, which surprisingly kept the smallpox diseases at bay. On the further investigation, he found out that cowpox germs developed immunity among the milkmaids that protect them from catching the smallpox germs. This was how the anti-smallpox vaccines was developed. Understood, kids? How was the anti-smallpox vaccine was developed? Understood now? So, next question is, see, what are antibiotic medicines? How are they useful to us? What are antibiotic medicines? how are they useful to us? Answer is, an antibiotic is a substance capable of stopping the growth of even the destroying the harmful bacteria and microorganisms. Today, antibiotics are used to treat different types of infection. Now, last question is the what are antiseptics? How can we make our world disease free? What are antiseptics? How can we make our world disease free? Answer. The substance that kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms. The substance that kills or prevent the growth of microorganisms and prevent infection on a wound or a cut are called the antiseptics. To live a healthy and disease-free life. To live healthy and disease-free life, we must take good care of ourselves through a proper nutrition, adequate exercise and rest and timely health checkups. To live healthy and disease-free life, we must take good care of ourselves through proper nutrition, adequate exercise, rest and timely health checkup. Okay, so kids, here our 6th lesson, health is wealth, revision over. You read the lesson, revise the lesson revision, revise this, let us revise the exercise, by the question answers, understood now? Thank you for watching the video.